Chapter 4: The Digestive Process. What happens to your food? Every time you eat, your body embarks on a complex journey to break down food, extract nutrients, and eliminate waste. This process, known as digestion, is far more intricate than simply chewing and swallowing. It involves a coordinated effort between your brain, stomach, intestines, and, of course, your microbiome. Understanding how digestion works is key to optimizing gut health, preventing discomfort, and ensuring your body absorbs the nutrients it needs to function at its best. Step 1: The brain's role in digestion. Digestion doesn't start in your stomach, it starts in your brain. The moment you see, smell, or even think about food, your brain signals your digestive system to prepare for incoming nutrients. This is called the cephalic phase of digestion, and it triggers the production of saliva, stomach acid, and digestive enzymes. This is why mindful eating, taking time to appreciate your food, can actually improve digestion by ensuring your body is fully engaged in the process before food even enters your mouth. Step 2: Breaking down food. The mouth and stomach. Once food enters your mouth, chewing begins the mechanical breakdown, increasing surface area so digestive enzymes in saliva can start breaking down carbohydrates. Many people don't chew their food enough, forcing the stomach to work harder than necessary. Taking time to chew thoroughly can improve digestion and reduce bloating. After swallowing, food travels down the esophagus into the stomach, where powerful gastric juices, including hydrochloric acid and pepsin, begin breaking down proteins. Stomach acid is crucial for killing harmful bacteria, activating enzymes, and preparing nutrients for absorption. Unfortunately, many people suffer from low stomach acid, often misdiagnosed as acid reflux. When acid levels are too low, food sits in the stomach longer, fermenting and causing bloating, gas, and indigestion. Step 3: The small intestine, where nutrients are absorbed after being partially digested in the stomach. Food, now called chyme, enters the small intestine, where the real magic happens. Here, the pancreas releases digestive enzymes, and the liver and gallbladder secrete bile, which helps break down fats. The walls of the small intestine are lined with tiny finger-like structures called villi and microvilli, which increase the surface area for nutrient absorption. This is also where the gut microbiome plays a crucial role. Beneficial bacteria help break down complex carbohydrates, produce essential vitamins like B12 and K2, and regulate immune responses. However, if harmful bacteria outnumber the good ones, nutrient absorption can be impaired, leading to deficiencies, inflammation, and digestive issues like bloating, diarrhea, or constipation. Step 4: The large intestine, the microbiome's playground. Once most nutrients are absorbed, what remains moves into the large intestine, colon, where the microbiome takes center stage. This is where fiber is fermented into short-chain fatty acids, SCFAs, like butyrate, which fuel the gut lining, reduce inflammation, and support immune function. The large intestine also reabsorbs water and electrolytes, forming solid waste before elimination. However, if gut bacteria are imbalanced, fermentation can produce excess gas, bloating, and discomfort. Conditions like small intestinal bacterial overgrowth, SIBO, occur when bacteria that should stay in the colon migrate into the small intestine, causing digestive distress. Step 5: Elimination. The final phase. A healthy gut ensures efficient elimination, but constipation or diarrhea can indicate imbalances. Regular, well-formed bowel movements, ideally once or twice a day, are a sign of good digestion. Chronic constipation suggests slow transit or dehydration, while loose stools may indicate inflammation or food intolerances. Optimizing your digestive process. Now that you understand how digestion works, it's time to focus on optimizing each step. Chew your food thoroughly to ease digestion. Support stomach acid production with apple cider vinegar or digestive bitters. Eat fiber-rich, whole foods to nourish gut bacteria. Stay hydrated to support smooth digestion and elimination. Manage stress, as it can slow digestion and cause bloating. By taking care of your digestive system, you set the stage for a healthy gut, better energy, and stronger immunity. In the next chapters, we'll explore the biggest threats to gut health and how to rebuild your microbiome for long-term wellness.